BFT SHYRA Control Panel Complete Guide BFT MOOVI Barrier Wiring. Hello friends, welcome back to Auto Door Surgeon. Today, I will explain the wiring terminals of the BFT SHYRA Control Panel used with MOOVI automatic barriers. Let's start from the top of the control board. Power supply terminals. Terminal L is the line input. Terminal N is the neutral input. Connect the 230-volt AC single-phase power supply to these terminals. Always switch off the main power before wiring. Motor connection and limit switch connection. Terminal 10 is motor start plus capacitor. Terminal 11 is motor common. Terminal 12 is motor start plus capacitor. Terminal 41 is the common terminal for limit switches. Terminal 42 is the closing limit switch, marked SWC. Terminal 43 is the opening limit switch, marked SWO. These terminals tell the control board when the barrier has reached the fully open or fully closed position. If the barrier is installed on right side, then no need to change the motor phase wire and limit switch wires. It's here normal. But if your barrier is installed on left side, then when you want to opening, the door will be closing. Here, what you will do. Simple change the motor phase wire with each other and limit switch wires with each other. Common wire don't touch or removed. Or, if you want to barrier, you can also do like this. Flashing light connection. Terminal 20 and Terminal 21 are for the flashing light. This output supplies 230 volts AC with a maximum load of 40 watts. The flashing light turns on automatically whenever the barrier is opening or closing. Photocell connection. First, I will show you single pair of photocell. Accessory power supply. Terminal 50 is 0 volt negative. Terminal 51 is 24 volt positive. These terminals supply power to photocells and other accessories. Terminal 52 is safety monitored and should be used for safety devices that require verification. Now, connect the safety sensor. Terminal 70 is the common terminal for safety inputs. Terminal 72 is PHOT, the photocell safety input. Connect the receiver relay output of the photocell here. If photocells are not installed, keep the jumper in place. Double pair of photocell with double barrier. Keep some distance between photocells that not coming reflected each other. This is the power supply of the double pair of photocell. Connect one barrier to his control safety. Connect another barrier with another control. Command inputs. Terminal 60 is common. Terminal 61 is start. Terminal 62 is open. To connect a push button for full opening, connect a normally open contact between terminal 60 and 61. When pressed, the barrier performs the programmed start command. For an open command, connect a normally open push button between terminals 60 and 62. This command keeps the barrier open according to the selected operating logic. Terminal 71 is stop. Connect a normally closed emergency stop button between terminal 70 and 71. If no stop button is used, leave the factory jumper installed. Terminal 73 is fault 1. This terminal is used for safety device testing and monitoring. Terminal 74 is bar or 8K to safety edge input. This terminal accepts either a normally closed safety edge or an 8.2 kilo ohm monitored safety edge, depending on the board settings. The safety edge protects vehicles and pedestrians from impact. Terminal 75 is fault 2. This terminal is used for testing and monitoring devices connected to terminal 74.